Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're making chocolate and walnut brownies. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Now melt the butter in the microwave on a low heat. In a mixing bowl, add the sugar, butter, cacao and vanilla. Give it all a mix and add the egg, followed by the flour, baking powder, salt and walnuts. Thoroughly mix everything together and pour out into a lined baking tray. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Once cooked, leave the tray to cool. Cut the brownie into pieces and dust with icing sugar to make them look even better. With this recipe, it's hard to go wrong. The use of cacao and sugar give you an excellent balance of sweetness, perfected with the walnut pieces for an unbeatable brownie. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.